Hi guys, it's Dan with Green Touch Industries. If you don't know our website, it's trailerracks.com. Today we're excited to show you the new version 3 blower rack. We're constantly improving our racks, so please don't be offended if you didn't get this version last time. It's now available. So the version 3, let's go over a few of the new features of it. First of all, we have the new high-grade stainless steel lock that's mounted in there. This will prevent any corrosion problems or anything of that nature and should last for, many, many years. Second of all, we have rubber-coated our securing handle. So it makes it a lot easier to operate. It feels a little better on your hand. Third, we have rubber-coated, which is basically, it's called PVC coating, our securing bar. So this bar now that rests up against your blower, you don't have to worry about anything as far as rubbing on your blower or anything of that nature. Third, we've actually put anti-vibration pads in the bottom of the rack. So this will absorb any part of the vibration and the movement as it goes down the road. The best feature that the new BPS100 version 3 has is the new stainless steel spring. This spring will actually automatically close your handle. It's not going to lock it for you, but it will automatically close the handle so you don't have to worry about, if you left it open or anything of that nature. So let's show you how it works. You just unlock it, pull it back, allows you to have access to your blower. Now we're done with it, we're going to put it back, we're going to swing it like this. That's all there is to it. But I want to lock it, so all I'm going to do is push the lock in. Very simple. This is a new patented design. We went through a lot of re-engineering and redesigning and patented information and stuff like that to provide security to this rack. So this is the new version 3 BPS100 by Green Touch Industries. We know you're going to love it. I love it. I think it's a great rack. It solves all the problems. It's universal. It works for open trailers, enclosed trailers. It also is 100% steel. There's no plastic little pieces here or anything of that nature. And it's very simple to install this thing or actually to assemble it. It comes in 2 pieces. You don't dump out a box and you have like a million pieces you have to deal with. This is 2 pieces. You literally put the back rest piece onto the base. That's all there is to it. Takes maybe 5-10 minutes at the very most. And then you just determine which way you want to mount it, if you want to mount it to an enclosed trailer or an open trailer. Again, very simple to use. We know you're going to love it. We appreciate your business. Stay original, and thank you.